You're Layla. These are Minion toys I'm opening. Is that what you had to tell me to say?
Well, you're Layla.
I know. Is that what you have to tell me to say?
Oh, you can say whatever you want.
How about I say this? Can you tell me something else for me to say?
Just open it up and see what's in there.
Look at this silly minion. I'm going to try to open this package so I can put them together. Okay, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
This is a silly looking minion. I can't find that place for me to open it. Could you help me? Mama, can you open the package while I open this other one and see who I get? This one?
I think I might need scissors.
If I get the same one, then I can just give it to you. I don't think I'll get the same one.
I hope not.
Ooh, look, Mom, I got a different one.
Oh, that's good.
He has a smile. Come on out, little thing. I need you. That little red thing won't come out. It's like, I don't want to come out. Oh, there it comes. I think this is the Minion's hair. Oh, this is the Minion's hair. Goes right on the top.
Looks like Olaf's.
Yeah, but it's the Minion's hair. I can't get it in. Oh, it's starting to go. Might need to push down on it. There we go. So there. Look at his arms. His arms move. Mama, these are his goggles. I can't get his goggles on. Ah! His hair. His hair fell out. Oh, can you open the other package while I try to put these guys together? Oh, look, Mama, this part was pretty easy. It wasn't actually doing anything.
I recognize this guy. He looks like the main one, right?
What?
What's his name?
I don't know. How about if I do that, all the pieces come out? Okay, so where does this part have to go? Oh, his overalls. Mama? I recognize that doesn't actually go down there. This goes in there. I think we might need to put his arms up before we can do it. There we go. Let's put his arms back down. Silly minions. Mama, I've never opened one of these things. Right?
Now you have.
Ooh, and look at this, Mama. It has this so you can tell which ones you can collect. So, Mama, these are all the ones that I can collect. And I've got this guy, right? And that guy right there. I found them. I found the ones. That's the one I have, and that's the one I have. I found them. eyes, Mama. Here you go. There's the Minion's eyes. I got mine on. Oh, look, Mom, you can actually do that or that to his body. I've never opened one of these, but now I got them. He's not going to stand up. And they got some stuff else.
Where's the instructions for the next guy? Did he have some in his box?
Yep. He does. You can look at it. Mama, good job for this little minion thing. He's so cute.
Thanks.
He's so adorable, too. I like his little self. Look at his little bow. I like his little bow.
Oh, all the directions are the same. Same picture. For both.
It just doesn't matter if you can collect the same. Ooh, I see a special one.
Collect all 6.
I see it. Mama, that one will glow in the dark. Might be glowy. We'll just have to find out and see.
You got the other one together yet? Got some extra pieces there.
Yeah, I still like the little minion goggles on mine.
Yeah, those are fun. They have a stretchy rubber band
You can stretch really kind of a little bit. And these are the other small pieces. I really like this set. This is a really neat set.
That's fun.
I like these little stretchy bands. Good on the little minions.
Okay, I'm going to stop the video now.